This signature head wrap is something I discovered accidentally. When I say discovered accidentally, I mean I was tying my head wrap and I found something beautiful and I'm like, dang, this girl, you're so cute. So guys, this has always been my go-to style, and if you want to learn this with me, let's do this. I am so excited. Hello lovelies, this is your girl More of Tia. Today I'm going to be showing you how to tie this head wrap. If this is your first time here, you're so welcome, and if you've always been a regular person here in the house, I say hello to my shareholders. I love you so much. Guys, look at this baby girl. If you do not appreciate her, I do. She is the dark-skinned girl we're talking about today. But the most important thing is that beautiful head wrap on her head. Just look at it. This girl is feeling herself. I beg. Sis, can you just calm down so we could talk about this head wrap? Please, guys, follow me on Instagram so we could connect. Okay, if you want to tie this head tie and find anything difficult, just feel free to contact me on Instagram and ask me. I'm more than ready to spill every tea. If there's anything that I did not show here, I think I did everything. But guys, look at this fabric. Let's pause for this fabric. The richness, it's silver in color, and I really love it. Unfortunately, this fabric is out of stock. I wish I can tell you, oh, you can buy it in my store, but by the way, you could shop African prints, head wraps in my store, which I'll put the link right there, together with my Instagram page, and I think I'll put it in the description, so that I can just description box, so you could just click on it. Okay, but now let's go back to the most important thing, this head wrap. It's so easy, super easy. I'm gonna take it real slow for you guys. So as you watch this, I just want to recommend that you could do a ponytail with your hair, so it can make it even much more, you'd see what I achieved. Just making a ponytail makes it even look better. That's one thing I discovered. Or you can handle it without the ponytail, but this is the easiest way to do it. So I'm going so slow, and if this is not slow enough for you to catch up, please pause at any time and play it again. Okay, I truly want to see this signature head wrap like flying around everywhere. That will make me so happy. And guys, look at the look. It's just coming out like no thought, no brainer. It's just making me look good. Another tip I'll let you know is, so African head wraps, they're so beautiful. You can do them anyhow, but there are some that you need to like put some dangling earrings to pop out that look, and I think this one is one of them, so you don't look like you're a little bit sick or dull. I know people say embrace yourself. You could do a little bit of makeup to pop out that look, but please embrace yourself. Just be natural. That's okay. However you want, you are beautiful. But look at this girl. Can we celebrate this girl right now? Is it the head tie we're celebrating, or the girl? Both of them are beautiful. And guys, I just want to tell you today that you are also beautiful. If you do not know that, I'm telling you today. Are you still admiring this girl, or you're clicking on that red subscribe button? Please do that right now and click on the notification bell so you could see this girl again. I love you. To all my shareholders, you know now, when we reach 1 million, I won't forget you. Love you guys. Bye.